The field of human evolutionary science has made profound advancements since the 19th century, uncovering hidden secrets of mankind's journey from primitive hominids to a species capable of exploring the vastness of space. However, these unprecedented advancements raise serious questions about the likelihood that they occurred through random mutations and natural selection alone. What if our journey from primal ancestors to modern humans was not a solitary voyage? What if, in the shadows of prehistory, visitors from the stars intervened, steering the course of our evolution? In Alien Architects Part 1, we discussed the hypothesis of directed panspermia, that life on Earth may have been seeded deliberately by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Our planet and everything on it could be a massive interstellar experiment. In this second part of our series, we explore the theory of extraterrestrial genetic manipulation, where alien beings are the meticulous creators of humanity, guiding our development at the DNA level and cultivating our physical and cognitive development. Join us as we delve into the possibility that ancient extraterrestrial beings, wielding knowledge far beyond our comprehension, altered the genetic destiny of early hominids, leading to the rise of modern humans. Imagine a time when Earth was a canvas of untamed wilderness, populated by early hominids struggling to survive. Into this primordial world descended beings from the stars, entities of immense wisdom and technological prowess. These cosmic visitors saw potential in our primitive ancestors, potential that could be unlocked through the subtle art of genetic manipulation. Picture a spacecraft descending silently, its occupants equipped with devices capable of scanning and analyzing the genetic makeup of early hominids down to the finest detail. After completing the initial scans, these aliens would identify key areas where enhancements could catalyze the emergence of higher intelligence and adaptability. Using advanced nanotechnology, they could deploy microscopic nanobots, engineered to perform precise genetic edits within living cells. These nanobots, guided by the extraterrestrials' sophisticated algorithms, would navigate the cellular landscapes, targeting specific sequences within the DNA, introducing modifications that enhance cognitive functions, physical resilience, and adaptive capabilities. Another method might involve the use of viral vectors, engineered viruses designed to deliver new genetic material into the host cells. These vectors, carrying specific gene sequences, would integrate seamlessly into the DNA of early hominids, triggering changes that would propagate through successive generations, modifying rather than disrupting the evolutionary process. At the heart of our existence lies the genetic blueprint, DNA, the intricate code that defines who we are. This double helix, composed of sequences of nucleotides, dictates the development of every organism on Earth. But what if within this code there are signatures of an ancient intelligent design? What if our DNA bears the hallmarks of a cosmic touch? Certain genetic sequences beckon us to consider the possibility of extraterrestrial intervention. Take, for instance, the ASPM gene, an abnormal spindle-like microcephaly-associated protein. Mutations in ASPM can lead to significant changes in brain volume and function. Interestingly, the human version of this gene underwent rapid evolution approximately 6,000 years ago, a blink of an eye in evolutionary terms. Consider also the SRGAP2 gene, which has undergone multiple duplications in the human lineage. These duplications are believed to have contributed to the expansion of the cerebral cortex, the part of the brain responsible for higher-order functions like reasoning, planning, and language. These unique modifications appear to have provided a significant advantage in adaptability and social complexity. Lastly, the COMT gene, responsible for the breakdown of neurotransmitters like dopamine, plays a crucial role in cognitive function and emotional regulation. The precise tuning of COMT might have been critical for developing complex social behaviors and problem-solving skills, something humans express more than any other animal. These genetic markers, each contributing uniquely to our development, collectively paint a picture of a species undergoing rapid and targeted evolution. In the vast expanse of our DNA, the silent echoes of an alien intervention may still resonate, guiding us to explore the deeper mysteries of our origins and our place in the cosmos. As we delve into the annals of ancient history, we uncover texts and myths that seem to echo with the faint whispers of extraterrestrial influence. These stories, passed down through generations, may hold the keys to understanding our origins and the cosmic interventions that shaped them. One of the most compelling sources comes from the Sumerians, one of the earliest known civilizations in what is today Iran. The Sumerian creation myth speaks of the Anunnaki, deities who descended from the heavens to earth and passed on knowledge to the Sumerians. According to Zecharia Sitchin, a proponent of ancient astronaut theory, the Anunnaki were not gods, but advanced extraterrestrial beings who genetically engineered early humans to serve as their laborers. Sitchin's interpretations of ancient Sumerian texts suggest that these beings played a direct role in accelerating human evolution, leaving behind a legacy that still fascinates and perplexes us. The Hindu epics, the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, also contain references to advanced technologies and beings wielding immense power. In the Mahabharata, descriptions of ancient flying machines known as vimanas hint at a level of technology far beyond what was possible at the time. Researcher David Hatcher Childress has explored these texts, proposing that they may be historical accounts of ancient extraterrestrial encounters. The vivid descriptions of aerial battles and sophisticated weaponry raise questions about the true nature of these gods and their impact on early human civilizations. And then there is the case of the Dogon people of Mali. This African tribe has long intrigued researchers with their knowledge of the Sirius star system, knowledge they claim was imparted by beings known as the Nomo. Anthropologists Marcel Griol and Germaine Dieterlen documented the Dogon's detailed astronomical knowledge, which included information about Sirius B. Sirius B is a white dwarf star not visible to the naked eye. It is physically impossible for the Dogon to see the star, and yet somehow they still know of it. Their accounts suggest a possible extraterrestrial source for their advanced understanding of the cosmos, further fueling speculation about ancient alien contact. The Hebrew Bible, too, contains enigmatic references that some interpret as evidence of extraterrestrial intervention. The book of Genesis, for example, describes the Nephilim, giants who were the offspring of the sons of God and the daughters of men. Author Erich von Däniken, in his book Chariots of the Gods, posits that these sons of God were extraterrestrial beings who interbred with humans, bestowing upon their Nephilim descendants unique physical and intellectual traits. Lastly, in the Americas, the legends of the Hopi tribe speak of the Kachinas, spirit beings who descended from the sky. These beings were said to possess great knowledge and wisdom, guiding the Hopi people in their spiritual and agricultural practices. Researcher Gary A. David has explored the parallels between Hopi mythology and the possibility of extraterrestrial contact. He suggests that these spirit beings may represent ancient astronauts who influenced the development of early Native American cultures. These ancient texts and myths, each from disparate cultures and times all over the world, could they be more than ancient stories from the past? Although it may sound like science fiction, researchers across various disciplines have proposed intriguing theories about the origins of human intelligence and the potential role of extraterrestrial intervention. Research from the fields of astronomy, astrobiology and genetics propose plausible if controversial hypotheses for the origins of life on Earth. Certain microorganisms such as extremophiles found on Earth, for example, might have extraterrestrial origins, having survived the harsh conditions of space travel. Meanwhile, innovations introduced at specific periods in human development could have led to profound changes within our species. Gene-culture coevolution, for example, where cultural practices influence genetic selection, such as in the case of pastoralism and agriculture, could have led to increased cognitive abilities, and may have been influenced by external factors, potentially including extraterrestrial intervention. Lastly, there is the possibility of technosignatures being left behind by ancient technologically advanced civilizations in the form of ancient artifacts or genetic markers, waiting, like time capsules, to be discovered in the distant future. These scientific speculations and hypotheses, while diverse in their approaches, converge on a common theme: the possibility that extraterrestrial beings have played a role in shaping the course of human evolution. Imagine for a moment that alien genetic intervention is confirmed. Discovering that our evolution was guided by advanced extraterrestrial beings would fundamentally alter our understanding of human identity. Our knowledge of biology, anthropology, and history would need to be rewritten to reflect this groundbreaking reality. The implications for science are immense. We would no longer be the sole architects of our destiny, but rather the outcome of an interstellar experiment. Our genetic code would reveal itself as a cosmic message, a testament to the reach and influence of a civilization beyond our comprehension. Such a revelation would inevitably spark an existential crisis. Religions worldwide, many of which are built on the premise of human uniqueness and divine creation, would face unprecedented challenges. The faithful would have to reconcile their beliefs with the reality of extraterrestrial intervention. This could lead to a radical transformation of spiritual practices, or conversely, to a period of intense conflict and division as societies struggle to adapt to this new paradigm. Then there are the geopolitical consequences. Nations might vie for control over newfound knowledge, triggering an arms race unlike any we have seen, with countries scrambling to decode and exploit the secrets hidden within our DNA. The result could be an escalation in advanced biotechnological warfare, as friend and foe alike attempt to outmaneuver one another. But if ancient extraterrestrials did alter our DNA, what moral argument could be raised against contemporary beings doing the same? The curse of eugenics could be given new life. Or worse, imagine genetic-specific weapons that target individuals or even entire groups. The cleansing of so-called undesirables could be given a new rationale should the origin of humanity lose its spiritual genesis. The controversies surrounding these ideas are as intense as the implications, yet the allure of these theories persists, fueled by our innate curiosity and desire to understand our origins. The possibility of extraterrestrial intervention in our evolution captivates the imagination, offering a narrative that transcends the ordinary and ventures into the extraordinary. But more than that, it just might be true. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Only on Crotonium.